Welcome to this course on R programming. If you have chosen to take this course, you obviously know about R's prowess as a language to handle big data and data science applications. Before we dive deep, we will explain some prerequisites for taking up this course. First, it is recommended that you complete the Big Data and Hadoop and the Introduction to Data Science courses before you start R programming. These two courses will take you through the basics of big data, Hadoop, and data science, and help create a base on which you can build your R programming skills. Second are the system requirements. For this course, you will need to install R Console and R Studio on your computer. Both these programs have some basic system requirements, which have been shown on the screen for your reference. You may pause the video while you check if your system matches these requirements. This course contains 25 modules, which will cover R Basics, R Console, and R Studio installation, data types in R, writing and saving objects in R, data structures in R, vectors, matrices, lists, data frames, factors, and arrays, R control structures in R, such as if-else, for and while loops, R functions, working with data in R including reading CSV and XLS files, data handling in R using the player package, strings operations, regular expressions, dates, data visualization using graphs and charts, and statistical functions. All set? Let's begin.